Welcome, Buccaneer. I'm Sasha, Director of the Student Services Center, here to help you navigate your student portal tools and resources. In the event of an emergency, it is crucial for Barry to have your designated emergency contacts. In this tutorial, we will learn how to update your emergency contact information. First, log into your student portal. Once on the home screen, click on your username located in the upper right corner next to the Sign Out button. Click on the second link in the drop-down menu that says Emergency Information. On the Emergency Information page, click the Add New Contact button under the Emergency Contacts label. Fill out all required text boxes marked with a star. At the bottom, make sure to check either the Emergency Contact box, the Missing Person Contact box, or both. Once you have verified that all information is correct, click the blue Add Contact button. You will want to proceed to confirm the information is accurate by then clicking on the Confirm button. You will see a green text box appear in the top right of the screen once it has been successfully submitted. Here's an important note. Emergency contacts must be confirmed once a year. To do this, click the Confirm button within the blue box that lists the last confirmed date. Reminder: updating and confirming your emergency contact each year is essential for enrollment eligibility. Completing this ensures you can proceed smoothly with your registration process in student planning. As always, our student services team is here to help. Thanks for tuning in.